In this video, we're going to take a look at a very popular add-on for Blender, which is the Human Generator, and you will see how it works and what you can achieve with the add-on. Okay, so let's create a character, and as you can see, we have the two genders and three different races to choose from. Now, even though the default options only look like East Asians, Sub-Saharan Africans, and Europeans, you can obviously change the skin tone and the features so that you can create other populations like Indians and so on. And I'm just going to go for Caucasian and then generate a new human. Okay, so let's start off in rendered view, and I just set up a simple sun and a plane as the floor, and this is of course in Eevee. And then you can adjust the amount of muscle on the character and adjust how fat or skinny you want the character to be. I'm going to set it around here and then maximize the chest. Okay, so let's go to the next tab. I'm really impressed with the amount of facial customization that we get with this add-on. It kind of reminds me of the facial customization that we get with Skyrim. So I'm just going to play around with the different settings. And let's adjust the settings for the skull. And then go for the eyes. And here we have a lot of settings. Some of them I don't even know what means, but you can see the change that happens when you adjust the settings. And for the ears, you can of course adjust the height of the ears, the width, and the rotation of the ear. And then we have a lot of settings for the nose, so that you can create the exact nose that you want. And when you see the amount of different features that you can customize, it's very easy to understand that the number of customizations to these characters are almost infinite. I'm going to speed up this part because it's sort of like Skyrim in that you can spend a lot of time customizing your character. You can change the jaw, and then add a strong or weak chin to the character. And then we also have the ability to mix the features of the different ethnicities. So you can add some Asian or black features to the Caucasian, for example. And then for the eyes, you can change the eye color. So you can add blue, black, green, and so on. And then add some beauty spots, age, wrinkles. I have seen a lot of expensive 3D models, and I would say that the models that are generated through this add-on are just as great as those you have to pay $200 or $300 to get. So if you need high quality models for your projects, I can objectively say that the add-on is worth the price. The number of hairstyles and beard styles are of course limited, so you can't have every type of hair. For example, me, I have Caucasian curly hair, but you won't really find that in this add-on. And we have some beards to choose from as well. And for the beard, I'm just going to go for an old-fashioned mustache. And then we can go down to hair length. And here we can adjust the length of the beard and the hair. We can also adjust the height of the character. The closest I can get to my height is 189 because I'm 191. And then we can finish the creation phase. You might notice that the hair is a bit thinner, And we can fix that by going back to the creation phase and then enabling the visibility of the children. I think they're hidden because of performance in the viewport. And then next, I'm going to add some clothes and some shoes. Keep in mind that the female clothes and shoes are the same, so you won't find any dresses or skirts in this add-on. Okay, so I'm going to choose the stock exchange clothes, and then you can select a pose as well, and an expression. You can also easily change the degree of the expression in the expression slider, and you can combine different expressions as well. You can also animate this character, and overall I would say that the add-on is extremely useful and powerful.